These yummy vanilla copies will make you longing for more. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these beautiful cupcakes. You can easily make this at home. For this recipe I'll be using half cup butter. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. Mind you, you can use a hand whisk in case you don't have a mixer at home. You can simply just mix this with your hand whisk. I'm going to take it slow at a time and I'm going to mix this together thoroughly before I incorporate in my liquid. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 small eggs because I don't have big eggs at home. But if you have large eggs, you can just make use of 2. Okay, but you are going to be incorporating the eggs one at a time. So you break in the first one and you mix it thoroughly. Then you break in the second one, then you mix it thoroughly. Then you break in the final egg and do the same. This week's special shout out is to Khadijat Muhammad, Ifenyiwa Muluako, and Hasia Shesunze. Thank you guys. Please seize a moment and leave your name and location in the comment box. So I'm done adding all my eggs. And that's the final batch of egg I just added. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. You can combine flavor. I'm going to be using 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to use 1 and 1/3 cups of flour. So I'm going to sieve this in. Please ensure to always sieve in your flour. Then I'm going to incorporate this gently. At this stage, you're just going to go slow at a time and incorporate the batter together. And once you have done incorporating with your whisk, then you can go ahead and switch to a spatula so that everything can be well combined. But before then, let's just add half cup milk to this, and this is further going to soften our batter and make the cupcakes taste yummier, right? So I have a video on my YouTube channel on how to marble your cupcakes. You can check that out if you would want to. So I'm ready. You can prepare your cupcake lining pans and be ready to bake. So if you're not using a cupcake sheet, you can just go ahead and make sure you grease your pan properly and then dust it properly with flour so that it doesn't get to stick. So, and for these cupcakes, I got about 8 cupcakes from this recipe. So, I do hope you are going to try it. It tasted very, very delicious. Try it and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Mama Rukayat and do have a lovely day.